May discount daw pag full payment eh. Pinol payment mo na ba? Full payment mo na.
Are you serious?
Hindi.
Nag-graduate pala si Elaine.
Grade 6. National Achievement Test.
Eat the egg, Elaine, para magka-muscle ka.
Pinibidyo mo.
Isi may sing-sing mo. Ano, ganda. Alam ba nilalay kung magkano yung sing-sing mo? Do you know how much is Mama's ring? It's priceless. Ah.
Sasabihin ko na sa...
Look at the design of the ring. The pink diamond is Mama. Tapos, the two transparent accent diamonds are you and Elaine.
Nasaan si Happy?
Wala. Where is Papa? The gold itself. Oh. It connects everything. Oh, everybody. Oh, symbolic.
Wow, may meaning.
The small diamonds alone are 20,000 pesos.
The gold.
The gold? Yung gold, mga 50. Pero the diamonds, the centerpiece is the most expensive. It's pink diamond. It's rare. Just like Mama, she's rare. Ah.
Ang ganda ng camera.
Yes. It's smooth.
Mas malinaw pa kaysa sa paningin mo.
Oh. Bilisan mo kumain ini para yung tira.
Meron na akong klase sa school na laging clingy.
What's clingy? Yeah. Clingy to whom?
Clingy sa akin na umay ako eh.
Let me guess. The name starts with letter L.
Hindi yun.
Di yun.
Si Tisha. I mean,
Dati you're recording ha.
ah,
I will post this eh. No?
Hi, Tisha.
Ah. Baka mabasa niya to. Ay, stumble niya to. What's your message to your classmate?
naiya nga ako. Sasabihin ko na kahit naka-record ako, sinabi mo pa.
Hanghang?
Eh, kimchi eh.
Parang diarrhea itsura. Patingin nga.
Wow.
Let's see.
It's a trophy.
Kaya nagbablog ako. This will drain your stomach. One scoop will flush out everything.
Why do I hear Lolo?
Di ba? Sabihin ko na rin yung Lolo.
Ang anghang naman ito. Sobrang anghang.
Basang kimchi nga.
Gaya ba yung kimchi?
Yung kimchi. Kaya nga kimchi ramen eh.
Tama.
Gusto ko tuloy mag-take up.
Milky. Sarap naman.
Ganun talaga yung ramen ng milky.
Depende. Depends on the ramen.